What is going on? We are back with another video for you guys, and look at this thing on the ground looking pretty. Wow, so nice. These things are so much lower than, I don't know, it's weird. It's like a real low sensation with that car, even though I'm pretty sure this thing's similar height, but wow, it's on the ground, guys. Right, so today I need to put the battery back in. I took the battery out and actually have had it sitting on the trickle charger for quite some time now. It's like, what, 2 days? Just chilling on the charger for about 2 days. So should be full. If it's gonna get full, it should be full. The charger says it's full. We'll see if it holds a charge or if it wants to charge when it's in the car. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put the battery in. The previous owner said that it was fairly fresh when he parked the car, so it should be good, but batteries over time deteriorate and they just go bad. So we're gonna put it in the car, see what it does. We're gonna put the parking brake on. I don't know if I'm gonna leave it plugged in. I'm not confident 100% in the car, not doing something weird overnight or the alarm coming on or something. So I'm just gonna disconnect it, and it'll kind of preserve the battery as well. That way, keep some power in it, and yeah. We'll go ahead and give you guys a startup as well, just to make sure everything is good. So yeah. Alright guys, so I got the battery put in the car. We just have to connect the negative terminal again, and we'll have power to the car, and we'll fire it up and see what it does. I do have to put a little bit more coolant to top it up. Just in it sitting, it has gone down to the minimum mark, so I guess that's a good thing. So it went from being at the max to a little bit below minimum, so we'll go ahead and add some coolant there. I'm sure once we get it started, we'll have to add a little bit more as well. And yeah, I'm just gonna leave that closed for now. She looks so good. So good. As I throw the freaking key. Real good, Kyle, real good. So we can come in here. Make sure it's in neutral. I think we're good. So there's definitely an exhaust leak down here. I can hear that clear as day, so I'm gonna have to deal with that. That's probably where the flex pipe is. Can hear that. So I don't know if that's a good thing or not. Definitely the fuel pump makes noise, a little bit of ticking there. Everything else sounds decent. And then at idle, it's quiet at idle. That's crazy. You can hear that exhaust leak real bad from here. There's a gnarly misfire. So it's definitely not happy. I guess what I should do is plug in the OBD2 and let's see what's going on. So another thing that I was thinking of is, now that we have it catless, the car is going to run totally different than what it wants to. So that'll definitely cause it to not be happy. Let's read some codes. Yeah, so cylinder 1 misfire, cylinder 1 misfire, cylinder 2 misfire, intake manifold runner control stuck closed bank 1, stuck closed bank 2. Those ones should be fixed now. Like I was saying, it is not the happiest. It definitely has a misfire, as well as when you push the clutch all the way down to the floor, you can hear, I'm pretty sure it's the clutch like chattering. We got some heat in the motor. I'll probably dump the oil that is in here within the next couple days and put fresh, and then do the same thing. We're gonna put some seafoam in that as well and flush everything out, just to make sure that we are not leaking or anything gross. Kind of looks like we're leaking oil from this side. Maybe this valve cover is leaking, but yeah, it runs, it drives. That's crazy. It's been 4.5 months of working on this thing. I'm not gonna leave the battery plugged in, just to make sure we don't have any weird issues that arise. No leaks. We thought it leaked on the ground here, but that's just water that came off of the side skirt. So yeah. Alright guys, so we are back inside. As you guys saw, the car runs, it drives. Took it for a quick spin. Super excited to report that everything seems to be good. There is that clutch noise. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. You can probably hear it on some of the video clips. Every time the clutch is pushed in fully, it starts to make like that chattering noise. The high pressure fuel pump definitely makes some noise as well, but that's cam driven, so it's kind of just in there moving back and forth really fast, so you can hear it operating for sure. Can't really hear any injector noise or anything like that, I don't think. I think just valve train tick and the high pressure fuel pump, as well as the clutch. And it is also misfiring. That is a 100% stored code in the ECU, so I'll probably have to take it to Volkswagen or Audi or whoever to clear it, or one of the technicians in town to clear it. But yeah, it runs. It's super sick. You can hear the supercharger whine. You can hear how loud it is still. It's not crazy when you're at idle or anything, but once you give it a little bit of gas past 2,500 RPMs, that thing is screaming. So yeah, just excited to have a running Audi S4.